Have you ever recorded yourself singing? Like you put on your phone and you record yourself, and in your mind, you're like, oh my god, my voice is so sweet. And then you stop recording and then you play. And what you hear, my mouth no fit talk about. What you hear is so sounding like what you did not want to hear. Is this you? Then you need to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to explain to you what is actually happening, why that happens, and how you can treat yourself to the extent that when you record yourself, you will be able to hear yourself better and sound better, that you'll be proud of yourself. Okay, let's get started. My name is Grace Afoka. I am the lead vocal coach here at Graciedion Media Music and Vocal Institute that helps aspiring musicians to realize their music goals and music dreams. And at our Vocal Institute, we help singers to find their unique voice. So if that is you, you are in the right place. So now let's get back to our topic of helping you to actually sound well. Someone said that she always loves what she hears when she's in the bathroom. But maybe she's out of the bathroom. She doesn't like the sound of her voice. And that got me thinking, and that was even part of what led me to create this video. Because many people battle with it. Whenever they record themselves, they don't like what they hear. In short, they hate listening to themselves. I also battled with it. I hated to listen to my voice. And I have had a lot of students who hate to listen to their voice. In short, one of them would post her voice, but she would not even listen to her voice. I'm sure she is going to watch this video and she will know I'm talking about her. Yes, because we listen back and we feel like, oh no, it's not like those people we admire. It's not like those people that we wish to sing like. So we don't want to even listen to our voice. But we forget that there are some principles that guard what you hear when you sing. And now I'm going to explain that science behind that. We have the air conduction and the bone conduction. In the air conduction, when you sing and people listen to you, they hear from their outer ear what you're actually singing. But when you sing, you hear with your own inner ear. So you might be singing, thinking you are getting what you're singing. We that are listening to you with our outer ear, we are hearing something else different from you. So how do you do it that you can hear exactly how you are singing and then work on your improvement? One of the tricks that can help you to hear in real time is to raise your two hands and then place it here. Once you do like this, you'll be able to hear your voice as every other person hears you because it transfers back the sound frequency for you to hear with your outer ear. So, for instance, I'm singing a song that says, what a friend we have in Jesus. Oh, the sins and griefs to bear. I can actually hear how I sound just by doing like this. You can try it and you will hear yourself. But now when I remove it, I hear it. It pushes through the bone conduction and I can hear it only with my inner ear. So I cannot exactly hear what you are hearing about my voice. And this is why some people have sweet voice. When you tell them your voice is sweet, they say, oh, don't say that. Because they never really listened or paid attention to how their voice sounds. Now that you've heard how your voice sounds, are you happy with what you heard? Now, that is where improvement starts. The moment you start listening to your voice, that is when you will start improving. The moment I started listening to my voice, I saw that I improved massively. I would now be able to hear my weaknesses and spot out my strengths. I would use my strength to keep releasing my voice, and then my weakness, I would work on it until it becomes better. So, my darling, I would advise you to start listening to your voice. Anytime you sing, switch on your phone recording and listen back. It will tell you the areas you should work on. You will now listen back, not just as someone who is listening back, but you will listen back as a coach of yourself. Now tell yourself, if I was a voice coach, if I was helping other people to find their voice, how will I know that they are making mistakes? Start with your own voice, play back your voice and hear it. And then you'll be able to say, oh my God, no, 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 no. At this point, I think my sound was everywhere. All right, let me play it, let me do it again. And you keep doing it until you get the results that you want. And then you can share it to the world. So, for all of us who love to sing, and maybe we want to be posting our voice, I would advise you to listen to yourself critically. If you don't like it, feel free to delete, do it again, over and over again. I am telling you, there is a possibility that the 100th time will be so much better. And you can also get a vocal coach who will listen to you. So you can even do those recording and send to your vocal coach, and your vocal coach will listen and give you back feedback that will help you better. So you can join our free community. At that free community, just send us, we will give you a free vocal assessment slot. You send us a recording of you singing on the Telegram group. We will analyze it in this channel. Please do not send it directly to any of our admins on WhatsApp or anywhere. Only on the Telegram group is where we are going to take the assessment, and we'll analyze it on this channel for free. So, what are you waiting for? You have all the tools you need. I want to hear your voice and I want to see you win. If you want to learn how to find your voice, watch this next video.